So I will test this one so you can hear the sound of this one. Of course, this is not inside the box, so it will be different from if you have if you put this one in the car, wherein it's already placed in the box with the baffle, something like that. Okay, try to connect, then you can hear if it's working. Try this one. So I don't have a clip, just use this one, just to clip this here. Okay, it's good here. Then try to on the amp. And just turn on the amp so I can hear the beep from the phone. This phone is connected to Bluetooth amp. So try the music. So just use the free music from YouTube. Try another one. Okay, we'll try the other one. By the way, I can see here at the back is showing here TX65, then coaxial speakers. So there's a woofer and tweeter, and there's a filter here as well. Looks really nice. Then try the other one. Just turn off the amp. Just make sure that I don't have a power to the amp, so will not short circuit this one, because I don't have the proper clip. This one. Okay, it's connected. Try it, turn on. Yeah, it's a bit noisy outside, so anyway, you can hear this one. Try again. Try different music. Try this one. I like the tweeter, it's really clear. And it seems the bass is good as well, so you can hear the real sound when you install in the car. And I'm just using a very small amp, so just a mini amp, so it's really good. Okay, so that's it. So these are Skar TX65 car speakers, coaxial speakers. So again, thank you for watching. Then follow my channel, and later on I will install this one on my Honda CRV, and I will demo as well. Okay, that's it. So hit like and subscribe. Thanks.